Hey everyone, this is Conflict Bricks, and I finally got the stuff that I ordered from Lego. I'm not sure if this stuff is for my Umbara video I wanted to make, but I guess we'll find out now. So let's get this stuff opened. Let's start with this one. I'm just gonna put the camera down for a second, guys. First package we gotta open over here. Let's see what this stuff is. Okay, first thing we got over here is a bunch of clear tiles that I bought. I bought these because I wanted to make like windows and stuff. And as you can see, there's a bunch of blue ones, purple, green. So yeah, these are pretty cool. Big one. I'm assuming this is the stuff for Umbara because I ordered like at least, I think it was 1,000 pieces. I'm not exactly sure. I'm close to 1,000. Okay. There's one. Guys, okay, here we go. Got it open. That's what we got here. The big reveal is right here. Let's cover this. And yep, it is. These are the pieces for Umbara, finally. So this should get you guys excited. This makes me very happy. Some pieces I got to make terrain work, like hills and stuff. And here's the tiles. These pieces are for the trees. I guess those like tentacle-like trees. And these are the plates just to put down. But yeah, all of it finally. Not all of it came, but most of it, so I could start with that video. Anyway, I hope you guys like this haul. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.